If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Gertrude, and today we're gonna be braiding our hair. Now I want you to hit the subscribe button. It is totally free. If you haven't already, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So for each part, I'll be using some leave-in conditioner, some shea butter, and for the roots, I used some gel, although I don't really like to use gel on my hair, so I didn't use so much. And that's basically it. Now put the hair into 3 sections because it's obviously a braid, and then you cross one hair over the other so that you can set everything in motion. Grab your braiding hair and tuck it in between the thumb and the other hand, and then you begin to braid. You braid once and then you add another braiding hair, and then make sure your grip is tight. Yeah, I was trying to get my grip to be really tight. And then you keep on braiding and you keep on adding more braiding hair as you go. And with this method, you realize that there are no knots. There will be no knots visible. It will just have this seamless finish. So before anything, I have natural hair. This is actually 4C hair. I have low porosity and I have a really high density. And I start by prepping my hair, each section. I have a video, I have a tutorial on how to part your hair. This is a pre-parting tutorial. If you haven't already seen that, I will link that in the description, so make sure you check it out. So you just keep on adding braiding hair till you get your desired thickness and your desired length. I'm not a professional braider. I'm just a girly who wants to grow her natural hair, and sometimes that includes styling your hair yourself. And on this day, I wanted to give myself something different. I wanted knotless braids, and so I said, okay, this is a challenge, and I think I'm gonna pull this off. So let me know if I actually did a good job. Okay, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you would also be trying this out. Is this something you would try? Is it something you're going to challenge yourself to do one of these days? Let me know in the comments. For the ends, I wanted it to be curly, and so here is how I'm going to achieve that. You just get a little bit of hair and then wrap that round. Then the second time, you put your finger and then wrap it around the finger, and then you make a knot. Now you can do this 2 times to make 2 knots, just so that everything is secure, and that's it. So now I'm going to just let you watch the process. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to let you watch and observe, okay? As you braid, be sure to check the length with the other braids that you've already done so that they're around the same length, and then so that your curls can, look a bit uniform. Now this is how I'm going to knot it. Pay attention. Wrap it once and then put my finger, and then simply pull it out through the hole, and there you have it. You have knotted the hair. You can do this twice just to be on the safe side, and this is what we have. This is how it's looking. It's looking good. It's coming out fine. It's coming out fine. Stay with me. Okay, so we're finally done with braiding. I actually chose big sizes because I didn't want to spend the whole day on my hair, because I'm a mom. I have a toddler. I have a husband. I have to take care of my family. So I would just opt for bigger braids. Now we're using our flexi rods. You twist and wrap. That's the key to doing this properly. Twist and you wrap. And if you don't know how to handle hot water, please get someone to do it for you, and then have your towel close by, because once you remove the cup, it's going to drip all over your body. So you need your towel to catch that hot water before it pours on your skin and probably hurts you or scalds you. Now that towel went into the hot water and I used that on my head. Now this is the unraveling, and our curls came out fine. Our curls are so popping. Yay! At this point, I was ecstatic. I felt like, yes, this was worth it. This was absolutely worth it. When the curls came out so fine. Now I'm going with my Eco Styling Gel. Please use whatever gel that you have at home, and I'll just apply that on the curls, just to keep everything intact. Like, I was done at this point and I was loving it. So I had to go change because my clothes were drenched, and I had to go lay my edges and come back out and finish up the video, because at this point I just wanted to be done. So this is how it looks. This is our final look. Please subscribe, leave me a comment, share this video with your friends and your family. Let me know what you think. Are you going to be trying this? Did I actually pull it off? Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. Do check out my other videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.